Hello and welcome to Hasebikes. My name is Dario and in this video I'd like to tell you about our porter bag. The foldable porter bag transforms the Pino into a cargo bike. It has a maximum volume of 120 liters and can load up to 40 kg, keeping it dry and dust-free. And now I will explain how the porter bag is mounted to the front seat. First, slide the folded porter bag over the seat back. Be sure to pull it down as far as possible to give the bag maximum stability. It is properly mounted if the fabric is wrapped tightly around the seat frame. While standing in front of the seat, open the strap. After that, the two side zippers. Now the porter bag can be folded open. After opening the cover, you can take the adapter out of the inside pocket. This adapter is used for attaching the front of the bag to the frame. Carefully fold down the headlight, slide the adapter with the slotted tab into the frame tube and then return the headlight to its original position. Now hook the front attachment strap to the adapter. The next steps are important for the porter bag stability. First, pull up the front brace upwards. Then insert the ends of the flexible side braces into the openings on the right and left sides. Finish by tightening the front attachment strap. Now the bag is so stable that the cover can be easily zipped open and closed, and the weather protection flap fits snugly around the outside. Use the Velcro seam to pull the cover taut so that all the rainwater runs off. Attach the ends of the bottom straps beneath the seat. Now the porter bag is well secured and ready to load. Next, I'd like to show you how to transport various loads. For example, you can use the practical divider to create two separate compartments inside the bag. It's attached to the side with Velcro. Inside the divider itself, it also has a handy pocket. In order to prevent the load from shifting, you can secure it using special straps. These straps can be attached at 6 different sides inside the bag. Heavy cargo items can be strapped directly to the seat for more stable transport. In this case, the straps are routed through the two Velcro closures in the sides of the bag and attached to the grips of the recumbent seat. If you are transporting larger items, the cargo compartment can be enlarged to 40 liters by opening the top zipper. The maximum volume of the porter bag then has 120 liters. If that's still not enough, the porter bag can also transport cargo with its top down. Thanks to the two-way zipper, the cover can be rolled up in front. Then the cargo is held in place solely by the straps. And finally, I'd like to show you how you can make the Pino with the mounted porter bag even more compact. To do so, you will need our length adjustable cranks. First, you can push the front boom with the chainring and crank arms completely into the frame. To prevent the bag getting in contact with the chainring, a support that folds out beneath the bag solves this problem. Then both crank arms are shortened so that they can rotate without hitting the bottom of the bag. A special tech support video about the length adjustable cranks can also be found on our YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. We've included a link to a detailed user manual in the notes beneath the video. Please read before use. For more information about our products, visit hasebikes.com.